Hi everyone. Today we are going to see the topic is numbers. Numbers, which explains us the mathematical object or quantity. The main purpose of number we are using for count and measuring purpose. பேசிக்கா நம்பர்ஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்கா நம்ம மெஷர் பண்றதுக்கும் கவுண்ட் பண்றதுக்கும் நம்பர்ஸ் யூஸ் பண்றோம். அப்படி யூஸ் பண்ற நம்பர்ஸ் many types of numbers இருக்கு. We are mostly using the 9 types of numbers. The first is natural numbers, then whole number, third is integers. Integers it may classified into two types, positive integer and negative integer. Then rational numbers, fifth is irrational numbers, then sixth even number, seven odd numbers, eighth prime numbers and composite numbers. Let me see the types one by one. First, natural numbers. தமிழ்ல இயல் எண்கள் அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. The natural number denotes a letter n. Definition of natural number is counting numbers. Starts from 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. The natural numbers the counting numbers are the natural numbers. Example 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Second type is whole numbers. தமிழ்ல முழு எண்கள். It denotes the letter W. The definition of whole numbers. The whole numbers which contains all the natural numbers starts with 0. For example 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. In this type all the natural numbers are whole numbers, but 0 not a natural number. Third type is integers. தமிழ்ல முழுக்கள். Integers it denotes a letter Z. Integers which contains positive and negative numbers like 0, 1, 2 up to infinity. In negative side -1, -2 up to minus infinity. Integers which may classified into two types. One is positive integer and another one is negative integers. From 1 to plus infinity, which is positive integers. -1 to minus negative, negative integers. The 0, which is non-positive, non-negative integer. because 0 is not positive and not a negative. It is a neutral. Fourth type is rational numbers. தமிழ்ல விகிதமுறு எண்கள். The rational number in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. In this case, q is not equal to 0 because if the q is 0, the value is infinitive. It should not be determined. So the q should not equal to 0. Q should be the numbers except 0. The fifth type is irrational numbers. தமிழ்ல விகிதமுறா எண்கள். The example of irrational numbers are root 2, root 3, pi. The value of root 2 is 1.414 and the root 3 is 1.732. Then the pi can be write as 22 by 7. The value is 3.14 something. So these numbers are irrational numbers. The sixth type is even numbers. தமிழ்ல இரட்டைப்படை எண்கள். The even numbers are the last digit of the number should divided by 2 is even number. For example, 732. The last digit of the number which divided by 2 is even number. For example, 4 by 2, 2, 72 by 2, 36. So it is a even number which divided by 2. The seventh type is odd numbers. ஒற்றைப்படை எண்கள். All the numbers except even numbers are the odd numbers. Except all the even numbers are the odd numbers. The odd numbers which should not divided by 2. For example, 363. The last digit of the number should not divided by 2. When 3 by 2, the value comes in fraction 1.5 something. So the number is odd number. Eighth type is prime numbers. தமிழ்ல பகா எண்கள். Prime number is a number which only divided by 1 and the number itself, which are prime numbers. It should be divided by 1 and the number itself, which is prime number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, up to something. The 1 which only divided by 1, and the 2 divided by 1 and 2, 3 divided by 1 comma 3, 5 divided only by 1 and 5. A number which only divided by 1 and the number itself, which are prime numbers. The ninth type is composite numbers. தமிழ்ல பகா எண்கள். All the numbers which except the prime numbers are composite numbers. For example, from starting 1, 2, 3, 3 are not composite number. 4, 5 is prime number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. In this case, composite numbers, we take 4, it should be divided by 1, 2 and 4. Next we take 6, it should be divided by 1 into 6, 6, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 1 equal to 6. 6 which divided by 1, 2, 3 and 6. The number which divided by more than one and number itself, so it is composite number. Thank you guys. If the class is useful to you, please kindly support for my channel. Thank you.